guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a special guest. Wow, that worked so well. Anyways,
it's me.
It's her. It's who?
Avery. Here, wait. I think when I jumped, I broke your chair. I heard it go. Awesome. I'm gonna start it because I like to. So today, I'm gonna be doing Madison's makeup because I don't wear makeup. This is gonna be fun for you guys and entertaining because this is what I look like most of the time. I have been dancing, so I know like comp makeup, kinda. So I'm gonna do my very best with what I have. I don't really know what any of these products are. We're just gonna try it out.
Do you want me to help you at all? I just want to do it. I mean, I kind of told you what stuff was before.
I think we'll be okay. I don't think you should tell me. I think I'm just gonna do it.
Cool. Up the hair goes. Do you remember what I said before last time?
About what?
Without further ado, subscribe. Yes, sir.
Without further ado, let's get started.
That's wrong.
Without further ado, subscribe. Now let's get...
new. Oh my gosh, it's not that hard. You're a theater kid, you should be able to memorize things.
Without further ado, subscribe if you're new, and let's get started.
Oh my gosh.
She has to get another battery, because her camera's gonna die.
Bye-bye. Oh shoot, by the way, she's not only doing my makeup, but we're gonna do like a Q&A situation. So...
Situation.
So, I said snitchiation, but it's fine. I hate it. So, I'm posting on Instagram. Oh, are we starting? Okay.
Are we starting?
Oh, it's sideways again. Oh shoot. That's too sideways. Too sideways. Why does it do this every time? You're really hard. Sorry. We are doing a Q, and a
Ask us questions.
ask us questions.
Ah! Sorry, I just need some light.
Wow, this is such a fun video. Wow.
I know, we're doing
This is so great, guys.
Look
I would totally watch this. Okay.
That was a lot, Avery. A little too much, if you ask me.
You don't have to push as hard. Just a
You're
tip.
so mean.
Just trying to
is what she said.
You.
Hey, good job, Avery. You did well. I'm proud of you.
That's literally my whole eyeball.
Yeah, I did poke you directly in the eye. Alright, next time.
Oh, I am not ready.
This is gonna dry on my hand.
You're gonna blind me before this is over.
That's okay.
What's like your dream role to play in a musical? I think I already know, but they don't.
You definitely do.
It's
Elle Woods.
Yes,
and Legally Blonde.
Yeah, I knew that.
It's like the...
I did it again!
Do you not ruin your makeup with those tears? Gosh, like you disgusting human being.
Help me.
Help me. You go, oh my god. What's your dream? It was Ariel, was it not?
I mean, yeah, but
like if you could play anything else.
There's a better one that there's one that I want more.
Yeah.
Can you guess?
Is it from Waitress?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Jenna.
Yeah.
The main girl in Waitress.
Really good musical.
Yes, I love that musical. Well, I love Sabrillis and I love her music, and she did the music for that and it was so good. I feel like we have very similar like
taste.
Yeah, taste and like
voice.
I can like I don't want to say like I'm as good as her, but you know what I mean. Like
like you like that range.
Yeah,
that
just
specific.
Her songs I can sing well.
Yes.
If that makes any sense. So I would definitely do her. I love that musical so much.
It's a really good one.
I mean, the music's not like super like typical
Broadway.
It's different.
It's poppier.
Yeah.
Which is new. I think that kind of like started a new trend on Broadway with that kind of music. Yeah, I agree.
It's really good. Kind of like a bucket list type thing, like before you die.
I want to go skydiving.
Me too. That's on my list.
I also want to go to Athens.
Oh, Greece is so pretty.
I want to go so badly.
Oh my god.
Like that's like my dream. Like if I could go anywhere in the world, that's where I would go. They have a cat sanctuary.
What?
I also really like cats. I'm like, where would you go? If you could go anywhere.
If I could go anywhere,
yes.
I really want to go to Iceland.
Yes.
Because I know people from theater, like COT, that they go is it every other year or every year? I can't remember because they have like Friends or something down there.
That's insane.
And it's so pretty from all the pictures they do.
Like, you're talking.
This is the definition of beating your face with makeup.
Literally beating.
Australia or England.
England's beautiful.
Yeah. I think they're both.
I'd like to.
Yeah. I don't know.
Oh my gosh.
Does it still smell good? Yes.
I would like to go back to London.
I forgot you went there. Yeah.
It was amazing.
Oh my gosh.
That would be like one place that I would be willing to live. One of my sister's friends actually like
moved.
She like dropped out of college and became a full-time nanny.
Whoa.
Yeah.
Drop out of college to be a nanny?
Yeah, for a family in London, and apparently she loves it. Like, they're great.
That's crazy.
Great family. She
oh
lives
my
with
gosh.
them.
Good for her. That
would be
fun.
Amazing. I would love to do that.
Do you want to have kids?
Yeah.
When do you see yourself having kids? Like, what age?
I don't know, because I don't know what I want to do yet.
Right?
Like, which is really hard. Like, when everyone's like, what do you want to do? And I'm like... like, that's a great question. Like,
right?
I've had so many opportunities with like Miss Missouri and stuff, because like you get like, and you have like Barbizon.
Yeah.
Barbizon?
Barbizon, you're
Barbizon, right. Yeah. And so like you have like that, and like you have so much coming that you have no clue what you're getting yourself into at this exact point in time. And so
I know.
like you don't know where you'll be in like 10 years. You don't know if like...
It's very true.
Yeah, and so it's like crazy, like when people are like, what do you want to do? And you're like...
That's like when
I'll let you know when I figure it out.
When I was a senior or even a junior, like all of my like classmates, like most of them knew what they were gonna do. I was like, what the heck? Like,
you're like,
I know what college I'm going to. I know exactly what I want to do. I'm like, what?
Yeah, and I said that I knew what I wanted to do for a really long time, and then
right, yeah,
I got into all this stuff, and I literally was just like I didn't realize that you can do so much. Like, you could literally do anything that you wanted to. Like, the world is literally like you could do anything that is, which is super weird to think about.
I know.
Like,
there's
so many options.
I mean, I'm pretty sure I'm set on what I want to do, but still, even now, I'm just like I don't know. Like, there's. I could see myself doing a lot of different things, just different points in my life, if that makes sense.
Yeah,
like,
yeah.
All depends on how it goes or what happens, or like if I start a family, or like when that happens.
Or who you find.
Or when I get married, or who I get married, you know what I mean?
If you get married.
I hope I get married.
Decides that Madison is okay.
I definitely want to get married, like, as young as possible. I mean, I don't have a boyfriend right now, but
she's like, hit her up. If anybody wants to date Madison.
Oh my gosh.
She's here for it.
But because I want to spend as much time with, like, my husband, you know.
Before you get married.
Before we die. Like, in this lifetime. Like, I want to spend as much of my life with them. Anyway.
That was kind of depressing.
Okay, but my point, I know, I'm sorry. I don't want to have, I mean, I don't think I want to have kids till, like,
oh, I think you don't
later on. I don't want to have it super early in the marriage because I want to have time to spend with my husband, just us. You know,
that's what my parents
is that selfish?
No,
like,
no.
I feel like a lot of people
once you have kids, like, there's a lot of things that you not exactly give up on, just like it's harder to do with. Your life changes.
And it revolves around your kids because you have to take care of them.
I will say, like, a lot of people in this generation, in this day and age, like, don't want kids.
I know.
Like, it's super weird.
It is really weird.
It used to be, like, everybody would have, like, at least 2 kids.
That's
or
right.
at least
That's
a
so
kid.
True.
And so, like, nowadays, if you talk to people, like, they're literally just like, no, I hate kids. Like, I don't want kids. And that's why, which could help us in the end or could not. I go, we got a lot of people on this earth. Help with a lot of things, and it could also just not with economically and things, but I don't know what I'm talking about. I'm just talking out of my butt. But I'm just saying,
out of her butt.
Out of my butt. And so I'm just saying, like, I think it's pretty weird to think about that these days, though. Like, that's just normal to not have kids.
That's not even my eyebrow.
So kids.
I would
How many would you want?
My ideal number would probably be like 3 or 4.
I think a kid would get left out if you do 3.
I know, that's why
just
I say
playing devil's advocate.
That's why I say or 4.
Yeah.
Well, my mom has 2 sisters, so there's 3 of them.
Yeah.
And I don't know. I don't want to have an only child because I feel like they're spoiled and bratty.
Yes, they can be.
They can be. That's right.
I think a lot of times they are when they're younger, and then they grow to appreciate the fact that they didn't have siblings, and then they have closer friends.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
Yeah. I can think of someone who...
I can think of a couple, but
you know, yeah, it doesn't define everyone. I know.
I know. No, like, I agree, though.
So I don't want an only child. I don't want to have 2 kids, because, I don't know, I mean, I have one brother, and, I mean, 11, but I always wanted to have a sister, too, and just want more siblings. I feel like it'd be more fun.
Yeah.
So I want to have more kids than 2.
I always said I wanted 2 kids.
Mm-hmm.
Because 4 is just such a good number. Because, like whenever you get, like, rooms for hotels.
You just said 4, not 2.
Yeah, but, like, 4 people in a family.
Oh, yeah.
You know what I mean? Like, that
yeah,
would be
I know.
2 kids, like, everything, like, hotels are, like, 4, like, 2 beds.
I mean, that is very true. It is very true.
And so, like, everything, like, has worked out really well in our family with me and my sister just being us.
It depends on if I have a boy or girl. Like, once I get a second child, if they're, like, the same gender, then I'll
probably
stop.
Want another. I mean, yeah, you'll.
Yeah. But if it's a boy and a girl, then I'd want at least one more. So I don't know. Or yeah, I don't know. It depends on what happens. Depends on what happens.
I also don't think I would want kids very early on. Like you were saying, like I want to be able to. I want to travel.
Yes.
Really badly, which is what everyone says.
I know. I was gonna say
everyone's always like, I want to travel, and then they're like, but money. But like,
right.
I really do, and like that's kind of what my parents did. Like when they first got together, like they traveled a bunch, and then they were like, okay, now it's time to have kids, so we can't do it anymore.
Yeah, because when you
hard.
Once you have kids, then it's like a lot of options.
Your money goes towards them, and all of your time and energy,
because you're choosing that's what you want, and you choose that, and you love them, obviously.
Exactly.
But oh gosh, it's so white and like gray weird outside.
I'm not sure I can get out of your driveway.
Pretty sure we're like having a blizzard, but it's fine.
It's like fine or whatever. Explain to the people.
Okay, explain to the people. Okay, so both of the batteries on my other camera died. So I have my Canon 80D right now, and the lighting is different, and
it's not a zoom.
The lens does not zoom very much, so this is the best we get. So there you go. To catch you up. What were we talking about?
I honestly don't remember.
I don't remember either. It's fine.
It wasn't that important, obviously.
Obviously not. Careers.
Careers.
You like singing, theater, dancing, acting.
Yes.
Anything else that you could consider?
Science.
Oh, really?
Well, yeah. For a long time, I said that I was going to be a pediatric surgeon.
Oh.
For a really long time, I said that. And then, honestly, if you want to know the truth, I went and saw Mamma Mia, the second one.
Oh my gosh, I haven't seen that yet.
It's so good. But I went and saw it, and I literally like told myself, I was like, there's so much I could do. Like literally so many things in the world. Like I could do absolutely anything. And I was like, I could just go to Greece. I could go to Athens, which is funny because Athens has always been the place that I've wanted to go.
At first, I was telling people that I was going to cosmetology school.
Yes, I remember that.
But then I figured I already know so much, and there's YouTube that's basically like a school, so I really don't need to pay money to do that. I thought I wanted to do theater, like just theater, but then that changed. Where I'm at now is I really want to do both theater, not as much, but theater still, or like on camera acting, so like film, TV show, commercial, that kind of stuff. Saving up to move out. That'll probably take like a year. Who knows?
She's gonna live with me. We're gonna live together.
By the time you're gonna be graduated and we're gonna be roommates.
Yay! That's so cute.
Oh my gosh.
I have auditions for Pepperdine this year.
Oh my gosh, Pepperdine.
Isn't that crazy?
That's crazy. You get closer. So acting on camera, theater, and I also want to do like my own songs and singing, like.
Gross.
Yeah.
I think we've gotten tired. Because this video has been sad compared to our other one.
What did you want to be when you grew up?
Like when I was little?
A dancer?
When I was little?
Yeah. I
wanted to be a masseuse.
Really?
Or a stay-at-home mom.
Oh my gosh, that's so funny. A masseuse. Phoebe from Friends.
Yes, I told my mother. I just kicked the camera, sorry. I told my mother that I was going to marry rich when I was about 7.
Well,
When I was 7, I told her I was going to marry rich.
Oh my gosh.
And then just be a stay-at-home mom and not worry about it.
That is so funny. I thought about, I wanted to be a lawyer.
Dang.
Because I always thought that was really cool. I also wanted to be a princess. But that's, a little
out there, but like I'm sure you could do it.
Danger! Danger!
Oh.
This call is from your mother.
This is the second time in the video. Hello? I'm doing Madison's makeup. Yes, we're filming a video right now. You just look like you have a black eye.
Great!
I'm doing really well.
Ooh, she got that technique going. What's a body part that you wouldn't mind losing?
My toes. My feet. Honestly, if I could get rid of my feet, my life would be so much better.
But still, like, be able to do
yeah.
everything else. I would say, I don't know, man.
That's what you'd say? I don't know, man.
I mean, I still have to have my thighs to, like, connect to my body, so I can't say that.
You don't like your thighs?
Not really.
I love your thighs. Go, your thighs are my favorite.
I forgot. Oh yeah.
You're losing of a body part.
I don't know. That's hard. I feel like you got the. I would say toes, or feet, or something, because I feel like, I don't know what else I'd lose.
Shoulders.
So we're just like.
That'd be so sad. You'd have nothing to live for. These poor people watching this video. This is the most boring video.
Oh my gosh.
I think I'm doing pretty well on your makeup, but other than that.
Oh my gosh. What are you trying?
Blink. Why does it look like you have a black eye?
Ah!
I said look up.
I was!
Stop moving! You're so irritating. Okay, now you have lipstick and that's it.
Brushes in my eyeballs.
Oh my god. I'm just shoving my finger in your mouth. I think you look okay. I did my best.
Are you done?
I'm all done.
Oh my gosh, she's done. Okay, let me move all this crap. Oh wow.
Whoa, wait. I forgot to do something. Now take a look at yourself and see what you look like.
As I was saying, the skin looks like not bad.
Thank you.
Like you did good on the contour and the highlight. It's actually pretty good.
Yay! They could be worse.
Yeah, they look actually pretty even. The eyebrows aren't bad. Wow.
You could look a lot worse.
That's very true. The only thing I would say is the lips.
Yeah.
You didn't get the bottom of it, and this one's bigger than that one. I mean, I know it's hard to do other people's lips,
but like,
you did really good.
I'm pretty proud of myself.
Especially since she doesn't usually do makeup, like, ever.
Look at me.
I
good. It hates you. I don't know.
I'll fix like the lighting and editing. Wow, that looks so good. Where your butt was just right here. Thank you guys for watching, featuring Avery's butt. So, thanks for listening to our boring video if you got this far. Thanks
I'm proud
for sticking with it, you know?
And, sorry you look like this.
No, it's good.
I did my best.
She really did a good job. I'm proud. I'm proud.
Thanks, guys.
So, I guess it's just me now. Here's her hair. What if I had your color hair?
Put it on.
You're too low!
Oh. So thank you so much for watching this video. We're so glad that you came and saw it. Please make sure to subscribe. Hit the little notification thingy. You know, like,
that's right. That's
ding
right.
ding. And then
thank you guys for watching.
Like,
I will see you in my next video. I love you guys.
Comment.
Subscribe, comment, and we'll see you later. Bye bye.